many guards in one place. Must be a whorehouse.
Even better, it's the guard's monthly payroll delivery.
A delivery of vegetables, more our style.
Let the pro do the hard work, then it's easy pickings for us.
Huh? That's disgusting.
What was I thinking when I took a job in this scummy rat hole?
Watch your ass!
What? You pushed me, you drunken piece of shit.
Thief! Thief! Raise the alarm! A thief got in!
Alarm! Alarm!
Get me out of here, damn it!
Hi there. I'm the new accountant. What a fucking...
I'm alive! This way! Come on, move! What? What the hell is that?
Let the pro do the hard work.
Smoking's bad for you boys. Real bad. Been a while since I've been in this part of Thor. There's nothing left standing. Turned into a real shithole. Be proud of your work. No wonder the greenskins ain't welcome around here. Gone, beat it, Rakash. Can't stand staring at your stupid face any longer.
It's time to switch off the light, kiddies, or little meanie sticks will come and eat you.
If I screw up, it's either squishy on the rocks or a dose of death by drowning. But I ain't the screwing up type.
dead again? Is that your controller in your pocket? Or are you just pleased to see me?
Now for some climbing.
When I was in the circus, we used to have a net. So I wouldn't have to die. You know what I mean?